Hey guys, welcome to my newest listing at the corner of Avenue and Davenport Road, where the annex turns into Yorkville. Welcome to the Dakota. Where steps to art galleries, gastronomic institutions like Yoso's, Soto Soto, and the 2 Michelin star winning sushi Masaki Saito, to name but a few. Let's go take a look inside. I love how bright this space is and how well it's laid out. The den is a great size, and the laundry room off of the kitchen is super convenient. The principal bedroom is huge and features a walk-in closet. Did I mention the location? We're a 2-minute walk to Ramsden Park, Summerhill, the Annex, and of course, all that Yorkville has to offer. For more information, visit 225davenport.com or call me at the number below.